Hey everyone, it is time for a Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty practical and purposeful. And this one is just fun. I have to say, I had so much fun designing this. First of all, where can you find it? Over at temp-tations.com. $24.95. Come on in and look how stinking cute this is. All right, we're gonna start with 2 of our 10-ounce bowls. We have one that says tasty. We have one that says fiesta. You can put salsa, sour cream, guacamole, anything that you can possibly think of. We put butters, we put cream cheeses. We'll show you all of these great ideas. It is our great stoneware, so these pieces can go in the oven. They can go in the microwave, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer. In the cutout of our bamboo board, they actually sit nicely. The pegs come also. You're gonna just assemble the pegs really quick, and then you have 5 unique slots. Take a peek over here. 5 unique slots for your soft tacos, for your hard tacos, for your fajitas if you wanted to. I love that this truly was the whole inspiration behind all of this, because where do you put your tacos? How do you display all of those great things we love to make for Taco Tuesday, Taco Thursday, Taco Wednesday? I mean, I'll have tacos all day. $24.95. And look at this also. If you wanted to flip this over, there's 2 paddles on each side, so that makes it great to carry. But now you actually have an elevated server. So if you wanted to put something on here, a little charcuterie, you wanted to take the pegs out, use this as a cutting board, you can do that. So again, perfect for anything elongated that you want to serve. And look at what we did over here. I just love this idea. Breakfast in the morning. This could be your English muffins, your bagels, anything that you want to lay out. And then we did 2 different flavored, 1 cream cheese, 1 butter. We paired it with some of our coffee, and breakfast, my friends, is served. What's great is you can park these in the fridge, bring them out when you want to entertain or you want to just serve them, and they're going to stay nice and cold. So where can you find it? It's over at temp-tations.com. It is part of our Taco Tuesday, Tara's must-have edition. I say it's every day. $24.95. Head on over there and check it out.